In this video, you're going to learn how to add text to the bottom. Where you've got a title text, you can have a subtitle text. You can add noise to your video so that when the text loads, it makes a noise. You can make it more visually appealing with different colours, suit the different colour backgrounds. You can have a text running all the way through your video. So, if you watch the video and you like it, please like and subscribe. So if you click on edit, load up your video clip. I like the clip and then go down to text. You can see all the different text options. We're going to go through some of the preferences. This is any part of the video. We're going to change the colour of the text. You're going to add sound to text so that when the text loads it makes nice noises. So you've got a title in there, we're going to add a subtitle later on. So the more you learn about video, the more things you can do, like I'm doing in this video. Set your colour palette in there. Colour font should always be applied to your video, so you don't want a dark font on a dark background. This is just for illustration purposes. So you can have it on upper or lowercase. For full clip duration. You can display text in the bottom corner. So we've got a title there and we're going to add a subtitle in there. So you can always go in and adjust the text later on. So we're going to add sound to this, to the text later. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. See more videos.